I continue to play around with the Inventables CNC Machine. I haven't shown you guys a video of this in a while because it does take a significant amount of time. The easel software is pretty nice, but as I've been playing around with smaller router bits, this is a 1/32 size router bit. It really takes a bit of time to figure out how to do this. So not only do I not know what I'm doing in terms of using the software, I don't really know what's going to look good on a piece of wood. So today and over the weekend I was playing around with different size logos and texts and inlays, and how do I get more familiar with this software and what does it actually look like? Because what you can do is you can take a piece of text, import it in the system via an image copy, and it'll plot it out, and then from there you sort of need to test it and see what it looks like before you can really do anything. So I got a bunch of different angles here of a BigdGuitars written out versus the symbol, and we're just playing around and seeing what these look like. Once you do that first inlay, you got to come back with some sandpaper. This is just some 320 grit, and you can actually see what this looks like then, and you can either inlay clay or crushed pearl or something along those lines. This actually looks pretty good. I like the top one. These 1/32 bits are really fragile. I broke 3 of them already, and you can't really move the router head when it's close to the piece of wood. That's how I broke it the last time. So as we were playing with different logos for Kevin's guitar, we came upon this one, which we both really liked. And so we did 2 versions, one where we just traced the outside and one where we actually hollow it out. And we think the hollowed out one looks a little bit better. I just got to play around with the sizing of it and figure out what we're going to put in the middle of the hollowed out one. So just a quick video continuing to play with the Inventables CNC. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.